said we gotta save ourselves before he comes to save us. Even the tree produces more than fruit, veggies, and paper. What if the straight and narrow is just an elevator? And it take you to the top floor of an angel suite. In the spirit I can hear an angel speak, sounding like the trumpet. Can't you hear that roaring in your stomach? It's time to eat, waiting on that invitation to come to the wedding feast. Eating more than bread and cheese, branches to the tree and vine. Tore a leaf from my soul and used it just to write this rhyme. Even the serpent serving his purpose just to show us that everything good or bad is never purpose. It's all for a reason. Even the ones that let you behind were meant for a season. And even death is meant to remind us that life is fleeting. And my heart beating. This is more than breath in my lungs, fire in my tongue. It's a battle that we already won. This is a price that we couldn't afford. It's a knock that we cannot ignore. Cause at the end of the day, even when the sky turns gray, we gon' keep our heads high, press forward in faith, by any means necessary. That's what Malcolm would say. I guess we all gon' be Malcolm today. Yeah, at the end of the day, even when the sky turns gray, we gon' keep our heads high, press forward in faith, by any means necessary. That's what Malcolm would say. I guess we all gon' be Malcolm today. Hey. Look, hold on to your seatbelts, it's about to get real. Pay attention, cause you know the devil's in the details. Do not let it derail your purpose. The serpent is lurking to keep you away from what's holding your purpose. Use your discernment to decipher discernment. The truth is hidden in depth, gotta unlearn to learn it. Buddha, Jesus, Muhammad, and all the biblical prophets acknowledge that the ego is what's keeping us all in bondage, keeping us all regressing away from the Father's presence. If you think this is religion, you clearly missing the message. Depression's when the ego suppressing our true self, keeping us second guessing, distracted from what is real. It's difficult to see, but it's something we all can feel. In due time, everything in this rhyme will be revealed. Like Pac said, it's on us to survive. So it's this in the air till I die. Cause at the end of the day, even when the sky turns gray, we gon' keep our heads high, press forward in faith, by any means necessary. That's what Malcolm would say. I guess we all gon' be Malcolm today. Yeah, at the end of the day, even when the sky turns gray, we gon' keep our heads high, press forward in faith, by any means necessary. That's what Malcolm would say. I guess we all gon' be Malcolm today. To freedom.